Open the door, and the experience changes completely. Inside the 2026 G-Wagon, rugged toughness gives way to pure luxury. The cabin is a sanctuary of refinement, crafted with the finest materials Mercedes has to offer. Hand-stitched Nappa leather covers the seats, while natural wood, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of modern elegance. The driving position is commanding, giving you a clear view of the world outside. The new digital cockpit features a massive dual display system, blending the instrument cluster with the infotainment screen into one seamless piece of technology. The interface is fast, intuitive, and customizable, ensuring that every journey feels personal. Voice control powered by Mercedes' latest MBUX system understands natural speech, letting you adjust navigation, music, and climate with just your voice. Technology doesn't stop there. A 3D surround sound system developed in partnership with Burmester fills the cabin with crystal clear audio. Wireless charging, smartphone integration, and over-the-air software updates keep the G-Wagon ahead of the curve. Even the rear seats have been upgraded with more legroom, premium entertainment displays, and climate control zones, making sure that every passenger enjoys the same level of luxury as the driver. But what truly defines the 2026 G-Wagon is the feeling it gives you. The moment you press the start button, the engine roars to life with a deep, confident growl that reminds you of its raw strength. On the road, every acceleration feels powerful. Every turn feels precise, and every stop feels controlled. Behind the wheel, you don't just feel like you're driving an SUV. You feel like you're commanding a piece of history, engineered for the future. Safety, as always, is paramount. The 2026 G-Wagon comes equipped with Mercedes' most advanced driver assistance technologies. Adaptive. Underneath the luxurious exterior lies serious performance. The 2026 GLS 600 is powered by a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine paired with EQ Boost mild hybrid technology. This combination delivers effortless acceleration and seamless power delivery. With more than 550 horsepower on tap, the SUV glides with confidence, capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, while still maintaining the poise and refinement expected of a Maybach. The 9G-tronic automatic transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, while the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system provides stability and control across all terrains. Yet performance here is not about raw numbers. It is about how gracefully that power is delivered. The E-Active Body Control suspension system scans the road ahead and adapts in real time, reducing body roll and ensuring a ride that feels like floating on air. Whether on a winding mountain road or a busy city street, the GLS 600 isolates its passengers from the harshness of the outside world, ensuring that every journey is serene. Safety, of course, is never compromised. The GLS 600 comes equipped with the most advanced driver assistance systems available today. Features like active distance assist, active steering assist, and evasive steering assist work together to provide confidence and peace of mind. The SUV can even handle semi-autonomous driving in certain conditions, making long trips easier and safer. The strong body structure combined with intelligent sensors and driver aids ensures that protection is always at the highest level. The Maybach GLS 600 is not just about being driven. For those who enjoy the thrill of driving themselves, the SUV delivers in a way that is both powerful and refined. The steering is precise, the ride is smooth, and the overall character is balanced between sportiness and luxury. It is an SUV that feels commanding yet never overwhelming, giving the driver a sense of confidence with every mile. Beyond the machine itself, what sets the GLS 600 apart is the aura it carries. This is not just transportation, it is an expression of status and taste. When you arrive in a Maybach GLS 600, you do not need to say a word. The car speaks for you, reflecting success, achievement, and sophistication. It is designed for leaders, innovators, and visionaries who see luxury not as an option, but as a necessity. The exterior design choices, the interior finishes, the driving performance, and the technological brilliance all come together to form something rare. An SUV that is equally about emotion as it is about function. The GLS 600 carries the weight of tradition, the excellence of Mercedes engineering, and the exclusivity of Maybach luxury in one seamless package. For 2026, Mercedes Maybach has not just updated an SUV, they have redefined what modern luxury should look and feel like. The GLS 600 is a reminder that even in an age of electrification and digitalization, craftsmanship and human touch still matter. It shows that luxury is about more than features, it is about how those features make you feel. Every time you step inside, every time the doors close with a whisper, every time the engine starts with a refined growl, you know you are experiencing something truly extraordinary. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 is not only a pinnacle of luxury SUVs, it is a promise that innovation and elegance can exist together, a promise that performance and comfort can work in harmony, and most importantly, a promise that true luxury will always find ways to reinvent itself without losing the timeless values that make it desirable. This SUV is built for those who demand more than transportation. It is built for those who expect a haven on wheels, a masterpiece that blends the best of automotive engineering with the art of luxury living. The GLS 600 is not about compromise. It is about the ultimate expression of what is possible when design, power, technology, and craftsmanship unite with a single purpose: to create the best of the best. In the world of luxury SUVs, many can compete, but only a few can truly define the category. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 is one of those rare creations. It is not simply driven, it is experienced.